Hello swans, I'm back again with another wig review slash hair tutorial styling this wig that I got from Evawigs. This hairstyle is a wispy see-through bang. As you can see, I cut more bangs and I made it denser, but you have the option of getting it wispy or fuller. You don't have to cut your bangs like I did. The hair is 100% Indian Remy hair. The hair length is 22 inches. The hair texture is silky. And this one is 180% density with a medium brown lace colored cap. The cap construction is a glueless cap. I think on the website it's like a cap 3A, and the hairline is natural. First things first, you have to secure the wig onto the foam head, which I have right here. I'm putting the pins on the perimeter of the hair, but not right on the perimeter, because if you do that and you start tugging at it, you're actually going to start ripping the lace, and you don't want to do that. And since I have bangs, I'm going to separate the bangs before I start to straighten out the wig. Let me tell y'all guys, this hair is all of 180 density. This hair is so freaking thick, it's unbelievable, which is a really good problem. I cut more bangs, like I made the bangs go deeper, and I still have a lot of hair to play with. So just to prove my point, it's very, very thick. It does feel very silky. It's very easy to manage. But at this point, I kind of want to change it up and do like a half updo or something and change the look of the bang. So the hair is very versatile, and it was very forgiving because like I messed up on my bangs a little bit, but it still is not punishing me for it. So right here, I'm just going to start dividing up the hair and separating it so I can get into every inch of this hair, because I'm going to have to train it. And then also, when it came out the pack, it was straight, but it wasn't bone straight the way I like it. So in order to do that, make sure I get every single strand, I got to separate and divide. Just grabbing a few strands out of, not a few strands, but like probably half of a handful of hair at a time. I'm going to spray my Beyond the Zone heat protectant with my Garnier flexible holding spray onto that hair, and then I'm going to comb it through and use my Baby Bliss flat iron. This always gets it bone straight no matter what the hair is, and I don't have to do that many passes through the hair neither. So I just make sure that I'm doing an even amount, an even coating of the sprays, and then brushing it through and then running the flat iron through. Some of the roots seem to not be that trained, so what I do is take an electric hot comb and I just go in and like press it through every so often when I feel like maybe that section of root maybe is not that settled in, or I want it to lay a little flatter. I just use the electric hot comb, and I got that from the beauty supply, and it was like $10 or something, and it does a really good job. Also, a little FYI, I think I caught a stomach virus, so if I sound a little loopy or tired or a little drained, it's because I do not feel good while I'm doing this voiceover. So that's why I sound the way I do. I apologize. I'm really trying my best. But yeah, Christmas dinner was really good, but it was really, really rich. And yeah, it got me feeling not that good. Also, I forgot to say this earlier in the video. As a precaution, when you're using your flat iron or any type of heat on your wigs or bundles, whatever type of weave you have, you need to make sure you do like a test strip, just to make sure that you're not burning your hair off, or the temperature that you're using is going to work. I'm actually, the flat iron's on 450. and the hot comb, it doesn't say the temperature, but it's less than 450. So yeah, I just want y'all to know, because I want nobody out there burning up their wigs, having the house smelling like burnt glue. So yeah, just be careful. Okay, initially I'm wearing my full bangs out. So to train the wig, to make sure the bang and the actual wig hair is not getting mixed up into one another, I made sure I separated it all. And then on the parting, I went ahead and took the smooth part of the hot comb and pressed it against the lace. Some people actually use an iron to do that part, but I don't trust my iron. I feel like it's probably going to burn into the wig. So I just use a hot comb. And then I comb through the bangs just to make sure everything is nice and trained and it lays down nicely. Okay, so I actually recorded this look yesterday. Like this, what you're seeing right here, it was already recorded twice yesterday. So I'm gonna try this again because it got deleted. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that something got deleted because I put it in my Insta story. So this is what got deleted. The final review on this hair. So what I did, you already seen how I was able to flat iron it and pull up my bangs. I actually put some of the bangs back into my bun and then I did a half updo, and I really like the way that came out. This hair is super manageable. It is super flowy and I haven't had any tangling or shedding. This wig is very, very well constructed. Like they weren't playing. So the cap is super duper well constructed. Even though it was like too big for my head, it's still like it's taking some of the torture that I'm putting on it, because like when I did this part, I had to cut into my wig so it would lay around my ears, and then it actually cleaned up really good because I had to glue down this whole front part, and I put a good amount of glue because I'm pulling my hair up, and I used a thick big rubber band, and then I just wrap my hair around and put the bobby pins in. So that's how I was able to create this bun. It's sloppy, I kind of like it, and yeah, it's really, really cute. So I have my options. I have my thick bangs, I have my wispy bangs, and this hair is here for it all. So I really, really do recommend Evawigs, this wig company. They really did a good job. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. I highly recommend this wig. I like the company. The shipping was fast. They're very patient with me, and yeah, I really like it. I like it, especially the customer service. They're so nice. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.